Morning guys, it's Sunday and it's the 5th of November, which I've looked excited about. Me and Annie are going to a display tonight at Victoria Park and we thought we'd vlog. It's quite late actually, it's 1 and as you can probably see, I just woke up. I'm going to the gym. For real this time, because I know last vlog I was like, yeah, I'm going to the gym, yeah. And next up I was like, yeah, didn't go to the gym. Guys, if I'm ever wearing a t-shirt, it's not mine.
Hi everyone, I'm just at home and it's firework night. So me and Sophie are going out for fireworks tonight and we're gonna vlog. She's not coming around till later on because the fireworks we're going to start at 7. So we're gonna leave my house at about 6. But I thought I'd give you a quick outfit of the day. Because I'll probably forget later on. So I've just got this Harry Styles t-shirt on, some blue ripped Jamie jeans, I think, from Topshop. Joni or Jamie, I think Jamie. And then I did have on this pink Topshop puffer, but yeah, just this with my white Air Force. But yeah, oh, and then I've just got these hoops and they're just from Primark. Guys, my highlight is popping. Becca Cosmetics, what's it called? Opal. It's literally my favourite highlighter in the world. I don't use anything but this.
11. Guys, I'm back home now. With this geezer. We're about to cook some breakfast at 2:15 in the afternoon.
Because mama's away.
I think if we lived together, we'd be useless. Yes, we would. We would actually be useless. Oh, if you can hear something, that's streaming the football match. Who is it? Man City, Arsenal. Talking of football, we're going to Manchester. This is my breakfast. A bagel, half a bagel, no butter because I don't eat dairy. Baked beans and scrambled egg with spring onions. Baxter! Baxter, what's this? Harry. Where's Harry? Where's Harry? Harry. Where's my boy? Is he there? No. Don't know where my cat is. Bugsy Boo. Oh, he's happy. Oh, he's a haze. Harry. So guys, I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair because I'm sweaty and my hair is greasy and yeah. So I'm gonna have a shower and then start getting ready to go out tonight. Okay, so it's been a while now guys. I've straightened my hair. I'm obviously out of the shower and I'm about to do my makeup. Guys, I'm all ready to leave my house. It's 5:15. It's not even that cold out now and I've got like my big winter coat on. Right, so Sophie's on her way round. She should be here in about 10 or so minutes. She just texted me saying she was close. But I thought I'd update you because I've changed my outfit. I'm not sure if I like it or not. I wanted to wear joggers. So I've got these just plain black joggers on. They're from Primark. And I've just got the same Harry t-shirt on. But I've just got it like tired and I don't know if this is a vibe and I know I'm going to be cold. This is the issue. Obviously I'm going to wear a coat and then I've just redone my makeup a little bit. You can't really see it but oh, that's probably Sophie again. She says she's here, so let's go meet her. Guys, just got off the train at Annie's house and I'm just walking to meet her now. I'm regretting my outfit choice majorly because this coat keeps knocking my chin and I'm wearing a jumper that isn't mine. It's my mum's. But it's like big on me, so it's a v-neck and it usually wouldn't be as revealing as it is. I've tried to pin it but it's not working. Okay guys, so I'm back. So he's downstairs, so I'm just going to meet her now. We're bringing the camera that we normally do like proper like sit down videos with to vlog with. So I don't know how that's going to work because it doesn't have a viewfinder so I can't see myself. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But Sophie's downstairs. So yeah, we're gonna go to the fireworks now. Yeah, that's it really. I ended up putting my white Air Force on, which was probably a bad decision because we're going to a park. Guys, I'm with Sophie. Guys, she's having a bit of a problem. And I just tripped. Oh my god, I just tripped. Ooh, fireworks. You just tripped? I told this girl and I was like, that's so awkward. Someone stabbed me. I'm so hungry, guys. I'm starving. You can get something while we're there, surely. This is hurting me.
Please don't stab yourself.
Bro, guys, this bus. Why are you filming on that? High quality magic over here.
Annie brought out the camera to film on, but that's a bit awkward. Look at this angle.
Right, guys, change of plans. We're going to Oxford Street.
Yay!
We literally like nearly emergency exited the bus.
Yeah, I was gonna press the button.
Bros, we're getting on this central line and we're
My heart
exiting.
pounding.
Bro, we just ran down the street. Oh my god, I'm
I'm
inhaling.
gonna be baffled as to why I was doing it. I'm still hungry.
Oh yeah, we're going up the street to get some food.
Oh yeah, just for a little light
snack. Guys, we made it.
I'm holding my jumper together with my hands because that's the only other option because I can't have my coat on because I'm sweating.
Look how pretty that is. Sophie don't appreciate it.
No, I do appreciate it, but we're like trying to do something and Annie's looking at lights, so I have it in my bedroom.
So we're just heading to Selfridges.
Just to browse.
Yeah, maybe spend some pocket change.
Get that Gucci bag out of it. Our friend's actually here, guys.
Yeah, we're actually trying to find our friends. Like, we're supposed to come and meet him. Them.
The ones that we were going to the fireworks with. Look at the name of that store.
Oh, I was about to show it on camera, I can't show it. I feel like we're really shady on our videos.
We are.
Like, if we ever become famous, everyone's going to be like, what are they talking about? I'm sad that the lights aren't turned on yet, but obviously it's just November. Somehow we ended up in Wagga.
I'm starving. That's how we ended up here. I'm so hungry. Well, I'm so hungry. So
I'm not eating, guys.
I can't believe you.
I had a roast, to be fair.
All I've had is what you saw me eat this morning, guys. Not even a snack in between. What's the audio like on this?
Like pancakes with this like muscular. And we were gonna get it, and then we was
But
like,
we
no.
both stopped, and I was like,
Yeah, we were both like,
Oh,
and
that's
Sophie's like, no, we need to do something. We need to do it.
we were on a mission.
So we might have to go back.
No, we are going back.
We need to find somewhere to do something. Everywhere up this shot, I thought it was Saturday, Sunday.
Imagine it being Saturday. I'd love it to be Saturday. I wouldn't have work tomorrow.
Next Saturday we should come up here.
Meet our friends.
Guys, I saw Graham Norton this morning in the Waitrose car park.
I see Graham Norton every day because he lives next door to me. He's my neighbour.
I see him all the time at Waitrose. He knows Harry Styles, so I was like,
He knows
like,
Justin.
yeah.
Guys, please have your scalp.
That looks so good.
Do you want some?
No. I've eaten.
And he's like, I had a roast.
No, I did. It was a really big roast as well. Does everyone want to feature in this video or something? Because everyone's just staring. Like, have you never seen a camera before? We got out of Wagga.
It was really nice.
That's really zoomed in, wow. Oh god, that was so warm. Did you feel that?
Yeah. I'm sweating balls.
We got to 65 after the breakfast.
That's the most fun one's messy in.
So Sophie's just taking this cheeky snap.
No.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Is that good stuff?